golden indigo kid.
I love when we bake cinnamon rolls, my favorite family treat. Mommy and me making cinnamon rolls, a taste that can't be beat. Roll, roll, cinnamon roll. Roll, roll, cinnamon roll. Flat out the dough, add cinnamon sugar. Roll them up, bake them right. Roll, roll, cinnamon roll. Roll, roll, cinnamon roll. Yeah, yeah, ooh, cinnamon rolls. Yeah, yeah, ah, yeah.
Don't forget to subscribe, like, and share.